Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got a couple of Randy Doucette blades right over here. I got a Killer Serpent and a Seeker version 2. Would you look at that? Two very different knives, but they share the DNA of course, a Canadian one, and you get to see, let's say, a liner lock, or more likely like a frame lock with some interesting thick inlays right over here. Would you look at this colors? Ooh. I mean, that's pretty sick. All in a very snappy and fluid and satisfactory action. Like, ooh. How about this next level action right over here? How about this Damasteel? Boys and girls, check this out. This is a Killer Serpent. You have some pretty cool Damasteel blade, a black Damascus bolster and clip, of course, and the spacer is floating. Look at this. Really, really cool indeed. Titanium liners are jewel, blue anodized. What else you want? Some camo carbon fiber with some topographic goodness going on over here. And of course this double hollow grind, not sharp up here, only sharp down here, so don't worry. Nice swedge going on, hand rub out of this planet in the Seeker version 2. It's a pretty cool flipper indeed. Damascus pocket clip. The blade is S90V, by the way. Titanium backspacer. Mirror polished, blue anodized. Look at the colors. Polished, purple anodized to pick up some of the coloring on the scales, and obviously on this clip in Damascus. Snappy. Boom. Really, really cool indeed. The set of Doucette. You want to know maybe the length of the blade? Yeah, you get 4 inches for this bad boy and 3 3/4 for that bad boy up there. Almost 5, I would say 4 3/4 and 4 3/4 as well for the Seeker. But the action of the Killer Serpent, oh my God, dialed in. This is crisper, detent, but both are pretty cool, pretty phenomenal. You want to see, maybe you want to know the weight of these two bad boys, so let's go ahead and do a shaming test. I'm kidding. Let's see, we got 6.77. Ooh, 5.77. There you go. That was interesting to see these numbers one after the other. But anyways, this is pretty cool. You've got a pocket clip matching the back. Wow, look at the pattern over here. Let's just, Fab, just shut up for a second and just let us enjoy. Ooh, how cool was that? Anyways, 1, actually this, and 2. You get Randy Doucette Seeker, and you get Randy Doucette Killer Serpent right over here to check out. It's gorgeous, really cool craftsmanship. Sounds is like, I really hope the sounds, gets translated well, because they sound amazing and they feel awesome in the hand. I mean, the finger grooves. Oh. See? Perfect. Look at this. And the jimping, phenomenal. Bam. There you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.